Are you familiar with like the fundamental frequencies?
The fundamental frequencies, I don't think so.
So fundamental frequencies, basically every note you play has like a fundamental note. And let's see, maybe this would be a good example. Your bass,
Mhm.
they're all played on a certain note. Yeah, this is probably going to be the best example. And the fundamental frequency is like the main note or the main frequency that we hear that note at. So, for example, this is the fundamental note of our bass note here, and I can tell it's like an F sharp. Do you see where it says that F sharp at like the bottom left?
Yeah.
And if we look at your MIDI, like what is that first note going to be? F sharp.